Peace, greetings. So I wanted to make this quick video just to, briefly discuss a trade that I put on actually yesterday, and I closed it out today, which is September the 13th, on the underlying Affirm Holdings. Ticker symbol is AFRM. Let me just change the color here. Yeah, so the ticker symbol is AFRM, Affirm Holdings. I'm in my Thinkorswim trading account, so I prefer to use the uh, the charting capabilities of Thinkorswim, but I actually made the money in my Tastyworks account. But nevertheless, yeah. So I was looking at Affirm Holdings yesterday, September the 12th, and I noticed that the stock was getting a lot of action yesterday. The stock, when the market opened yesterday, the stock was around $107 and some change per share. And so throughout the day, the stock really pumped. And as you can see here, the stock got as high as $126.46. And so I noticed that on the RSI, which is the relative strength indicator, which basically um, is an indicator, and no indicator is perfect, but nevertheless, it gives you an idea of what's happening or what has happened, oftentimes. But nevertheless, the RSI was showing that the stock was overbought, and so I decided to, right before the market closed, to buy a put option at the strike price of 120, right? Because of the fact that the RSI was showing that Affirm was actually overbought. I pretty much predicted that when the market opened this morning, which is September the 13th, that sellers would actually step in and start taking profits. So as you can see here, right before the market opened at 9:25, this big red candle here indicated that folks were already starting to take profit and basically sell their shares that they bought, I guess, during the previous trading session. And so basically, when the market opened, my option contract immediately became profitable, and I was able to get out of. I was able to sell the put option contract back to the market at a roughly around. Let's look at it here. We can go to the activity. And so I was able to sell the contract at 9:31. So roughly a minute and 25 seconds after the market opened, I was able to sell my put option contract for a credit of $2,430. I bought the contract for around 1900 and some change, and so roughly the net profit worked out to be $510. So pretty good trade for one day. I normally don't trade. I normally don't trade in this particular fashion. I normally am in a trade or in a position for about a week or two. But every now and then, you come across opportunities where you can, put on a trade one day and actually get out the next day. And as you can see here, I'm actually still in a position on a firm. I have a what is called a vertical spread on the call side, and so as you can see here, my vertical call spread is currently out of the money. For those folks who understand options, it's currently out of the money. So I'm going to be closing this out sometime this week. I'm going to be taking in more money or more credit or more income on this one underlying firm. So I love options. Options are a very versatile product to make money from the stock market without ever having to buy any shares of stock. So if you guys are interested in learning how to trade options, look in the description below because I do teach options trading, and this is my passion. So if you want to learn, definitely get in contact with me. Send me an email at info@cubicleinvesting.com or visit my website And I also have a ebook that I wrote several months ago where I actually convey the best trading strategies, the best options trading strategies to use to make income from the market on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis without actually buying any shares of stock. And within that ebook, I actually have links to videos where you can actually click on the link and view video demonstrations of the actual strategies that I describe in the ebook. So that the link to the ebook is in the description below as well. So again, if you're interested, definitely check me out. Thanks for watching.